Amplitronic. Listen to the difference.
Welcome to the tutorial video on how to add a hearing loop on the Accessibility tab of Google Maps. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure accurate information is available for those in need of assistive listening technology. Step 1. Select the venue. First, open Google Maps and search for the venue you want to add a hearing loop to. It could be a restaurant, theatre, or any public place where this accessibility feature is available. Step 2. Navigate to the About tab. Once you've found the venue, tap or click on it to open the information card. Look for the About tab and select it to access additional details about the venue. Step 3. Scroll down to the Accessibility section. When you reach the Accessibility section, you'll find valuable information regarding the venue's accessibility features. Step 4. Select Update this place. To add or update the hearing loop information, tap or click on Update this place. This will allow you to contribute and improve the accessibility information for others. Depending on the device you're using, Android or iOS, the features and wording might be slightly different. Step 5. Click Add Assistive Hearing Loop. Within the Update form, locate the Add Assistive Hearing Loop option and click on it. This will indicate that the venue offers this specific accessibility feature. The next phase is how venues can accept a suggestion to add a hearing loop on the Accessibility tab of Google Maps. Step 1. Select your business profile. To begin, sign in to your Google account and navigate to your business profile. Step 2. Click Manage your business profile. Once you've accessed your business profile, look for the Manage your business profile option. Click on it to access the profile management tools. Step 3. Click Edit Profile. Within the profile management tools, locate and click on Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to the information of your business. Step 4. Scroll down to the Accessibility section. In the Profile Editing interface, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Step 5. Click Accept. If you see updates from Google regarding the hearing loop information, review them, and if you're satisfied with the information, click Accept. Alternatively, click Accessibility to edit and save changes to ensure the accurate information is reflected. After the venue accepts your suggestion, you can go back to the Google Maps app. Navigate to the About tab, scroll down to the Accessibility feature and confirm the hearing loop has been added. Now, a hearing loop should have been successfully added to the Accessibility tab of Google Maps. Thank you for watching and for your commitment to those who rely on assistive listening technology.
Amplitronic. Listen to the difference.